This video is all about finding the value of 3 to the power x minus y plus 3 to the power y minus x. Now, if we are given 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power y equal to 10 and 3 to the power x plus y equal to 5. So now let's start. Now we have 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power y equal to what? 10. Let's say this is equation 1. And the next one was 3 to the power x plus y equal to what? 5. Equation 2. Now we are asked to find 3 to the power x minus y plus 3 to the power y minus x. So now from this equation, let me assume, let's say a is equal to 3 to the power x, while b is equal to 3 to the power y. Now let's substitute. Anywhere we see 3 to the power x, we'll replace it with a. Anywhere we see 3 to the power b, we'll replace it with 3 to the power y, we'll replace it with b. So now the first equation, now from equation 1, we now have a plus b is equal to what? 10. Now let's call this equation 3. Equation 2, we have 3 to the power x plus y equal to 5. Now, according to the law of indices, we have a to the power m plus n is the same thing as a to the power m times a to the power n. So that means this expression on the left hand side of the equation 2 will now be 3 to the power x times 3 to the power y equal to what? 5. Now it then means that you now have a times b equal to what? 5. Now multiply both sides of this equation by 2. You have 2a times b equal to what? 10. Now let's call this equation 4. Now we now have equation 4 and equation what? 3 generated. Now let's say from equation 3 we have a plus b equal to what? 10. So now squaring both sides of the equation, you now have this expression on the left hand side is same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab equal to 10 to the power 2 is what? 100. So now we have equation what? 5. Now let's also write down equation 4. We have 2ab equal to what? 10. That is equation 4. Now subtracting equation 4 from equation 5, you now have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab minus 2ab. So this will minus this. So now you now have 100 minus 10. So if you open up this bracket, you have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab minus 2ab equal to what? 90. Now this will cancel out. You now have a squared plus b squared equal to what? 90. This now will be equation 6. Now we've gotten equation 6. Let me use this space here. We've gotten equation 6. Now let's look at what the expression they want us to solve for. So now they said we should find 3 to the power x minus y plus 3 to the power y minus x. Now 3 to the power x minus y, this term here is just the same thing as saying, now according to the law of indices, you have a to the power m minus n is the same thing as a to the power n divided by a to the power n. Now that means this expression now will now be 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power y plus this other one. Using the same expression, we have 3 to the power y divided by 3 to the power x. Now, applying the other rule where we say we assume 3 to the power x to be a and 3 to be y to be b. So that means this expression, this term here now is now a all over b plus this one now is b all over a. Now, what is the LCM between these two denominators, b and a? The LCM is ab. Now, if we use b divide ab will give you a times this a will give you a squared, plus a divided by ab will give you b times b here will be b squared. So we now have this. Now we have a squared plus b squared as what? 90. Now, and AB as what? 5. AB as 5 here. Now, let's substitute those equations into, let's substitute those expressions. Let me just say substituting a squared plus b squared equal to 90 and AB equal to 5 into equation. Let me call this equation 7 into equation 7. So now you have a squared plus b squared all over AB equal to 90 divided by what? 5. So this will give us what? 18. So that is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. I also want to use this medium to appreciate my subscribers, both old and new, and also appreciate my viewers. Please do well to subscribe. Thank you.